gonna go look at these package units on this commercial building and making sure all the bells and whistles are working properly for you know, to start off. You know, because the fan's got to be running correctly to have adequate airflow, so that could be one of the main culprits here, or a dirty air filter, simple as that. So, you know, we're just gonna have to get up there somehow and take a look-see. We'll figure out the duct issue too, so we'll hop on the roof first and we'll figure out the flow issue. Found out that these registers are actually the type that have the damper inside the register, so we could adjust them out here.
Which I've had the door open, so normally like this door is closed, and then this door right here, it's kind of like a loop, it's closed too.
Gotcha. Okay, and this is like controlled by just that thermostat. So on this visit, it looks like lack of maintenance is going to be the main culprit for airflow problems here. All the filters were dirty, the coils were dirty, so we're going to go ahead and offer a preventive maintenance program that we offer called the Winter Circle. So we'll see if she wants to go with that option or not, and then we'll recommend some repairs to the system, and we'll go from there.